Hi guys! In this tutorial I'm going to show you super quick how to easily add your baby image to the Glass Drop Painterly digital background. This has a painterly feel to it, as you can see. Over in your layers panel you will notice you have three sections. You have your background, you have a blank layer where you place your image, and then you have a little folder, keep this top. Inside it has the cutout and the reflection, which means placing is super easy. Now, when you place in, your image might not come on to this blank layer, it might come above, and that's absolutely fine. I recommend for best results, edit and save your baby image first. Make sure you've clicked on the place your image here. This will automatically be selected for you. Come up to File and choose Place Embedded, or you can drag and drop the image in. Locate your saved image on the computer. I've chosen this beautiful image here by Anna Brand, and you'll notice this is already showing in the cutout area for you. So I'm just going to resize baby in. You don't want baby to be too small, but you don't want them cut off either, because you want to make it look like the image is within the glass dome. And hit enter, hit OK. If it comes in as its own layer like this is going to be a smart object, you're going to want to add a layer mask. Down here on the bottom of your layers panel, if you don't see your layers panel, come up to Window and make sure your layers is selected. Hit the little icon, it's a rectangle with a circle in, this adds a mask. Grab your brush, make sure it's set to black, a low flow, and you can just lightly, I'm just going to make it a little bit softer, you can just fade the image in here. If you accidentally paint some of it away like this, you can just switch to white and bring it back in again. Just make sure any harsh edges are not showing anymore. Another thing you can do, because this is a smart object, is just double click here, the little kind of paper icon on this layer. It will open it up separately, and you can grab a freeform crop and you can just crop this up. Grab your marquee tool, select some of the background, edit free transform, and just bring this up a little bit. It's going to make the screen go a bit funny, but that's okay. Hit enter, hit save, and that's not saving over your original image, it's only saved over the image here that's in Photoshop. I'm just going to grab my move tool and position baby back in again. And we're all good. And you'll notice the reflections are showing on top of baby's head here. You can also just Control or Command T, free transform at any time to just move this image about. And you're done. To save this for your client, you come up to File, Save As, or Save as a copy, and you can save as a JPEG for your client. Happy editing. I'd love you to tag me in the LSP Actions group or the Lemon Sky Digital Backgrounds group, any digitals you're using, because I'd love to see what you do with these.